Okay, so before I move on to show you guys the survey site, I want to brush or brief on surveys to some of you that are not aware of how survey operates. So survey basically are questions asked, questions you answer, and in return you will be paid in kind, in cash, or sometimes with gift card and sometimes with crypto. Yeah, so these sites pay you to answer questions from big companies, like a company like video gaming company, a whole lot of companies. But these survey sites mainly, the companies that pay for the surveys, for most of the surveys, they are in the USA. They are in the US, sorry. So before you can be able to do this survey, you have to have something called proxy, SOX 5 proxy. I hope many of you know proxy. Proxy is like a VPN, but it's stronger than a VPN. So me, what I personally use is the PR SOX 5 proxy. Here is it, the PR SOX 5 proxy. So, but before you get there, if you want a guidance on how to create, you can just DM me. I will help you out. So with this one, you just come here, and you come to the proxy list, and you search for the country here, so US, and you select any state ISP, zip, any state, any of your preferable states with its details, and when you are done, you click on it and come to here to connect it. I already have one connected already, so let me show before I show you the site. So you come to this site to search for your IP location, whether it has really changed or not. So as you can see here, my IP is now in the US, so it means I'm in the US now, so I can proceed to the survey site. So now let's go to the survey site. The name of the survey site is Nice Surveys. As you can see, nicesurveys.com. So this is how the interface is, and I would like to show you. Let me open it on a different browser so that you won't get confused. Okay, I will leave a link below. I will leave a link below the description for you guys to go and check it out. So yeah, so these are the surveys. As you can see, the time required to answer these questions are very limited. Yeah, the duration is not really long like other surveys. Yeah, because I'm sure it's because this survey site is kind of new, that's why. So yeah, and this is the amount I withdrew. As you can see here, PayPal, and some of the payments after PayPal is Venmo. I think they have Cash App too. Let's see. Yeah, Cash App too is here. Amazon, Apple. There's a whole lot of payment method here. Yeah, the amounts. Yeah. So let me show you the payment proof before I forget. So network. Yeah, so this is the payment proof. As you can see, I received it on 1st October 2025. Yeah, and let me show you too in my Gmail. 2,500 plus a couple utilities. Fuck it, I pay it just to keep it tranquility. Fuck it, I love you, I do anything for you, settle down. As you can see, this is the payment. The same dates, 1st October 2025. So yeah, I will encourage each and every one of you to hop on this site real quick so that the restrictions would be the survey site. Most of them, they impose restrictions when it gets long. Sometimes even for you to be able to cash out for this particular site, after completing the survey, when you request for cash out, you will need to provide a US number before you can be able to before you can able to withdraw. So with that one, I use my USA WhatsApp number to confirm it. If you have Test Plus too, you can use your Test Plus number to confirm it. I don't know for other online SMS messaging app, but I'm sure you can try it because Text Plus numbers are also virtual numbers, so you can use it. So that's all.